the monkey. The monkey jumping on the bed. Here.
O macaquinho tava pulando. The monkey was jumping on the bed.
Yeah.
What happened?
But you jumping here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
E aí, o que aconteceu?
Over here.
Hum.
No,
Lê pra mamãe, lê.
no more monkey jumping on the bed.
Good.
No monkey jumping on the bed.
Ok, que mais?
And the fall of Bumpy Ted.
Ok.
Now you Bumpy Ted. Like, no more doctor. No more monkey jumping
What
on
the
the
doctor
bed.
said?
No more monkey.
No more monkeys jumping on the bed?
Yeah.
Okay.
The doctor said.
The doctor said.
I'm like this.
Okay.
No more monkey reading in the book.
Okay. The end?
No.
Ainda não?
No. No more monkey jumping on the bed.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
No more monkey jumping on the bed.
Good.
Okay.
What happened? Acabou?
No. No little monkey jumping on the bed. The green one's winning. And
Good girl.
I can read more.
You can read it tomorrow again, okay?
I can read
Thank
more.
you for reading The 8 Silly Monkeys. Bye-bye.